Hello friends, this is Veer from Saraswati classes, Narol, Ahmedabad. Friends, as we all know that in standard 10, chapter number 5, arithmetic progression is going on, and we have discussed so many questions related with that earlier on. Friends, today in exercise 5.2, we are going to solve 2 or 3 same kind of questions which are quite important for the point of view of examinations. So let's start with that. Question number 13 is given. How many 3 digits are divisible by 7? ऐसी 3 अंकों की कौन सी संख्याएं हैं जो 7 से divisible हैं? Now what is to be done? We have to find those 3 number digits which are divisible by 7. So we all know, friends, that the minimum number of 3 digits, that is 100. So first we'll go to check whether this is divisible by 7 or not. So I have tried to keep division of 100 and 101, 102, 103 up to 104 by 7, but every time I got the answer in decimals, in points. That's why they are not exactly divisible by 7. But when I reach at 105, I got the exact value. It means what? This 105 is divisible by 7. Now we go on the same arithmetic progression, we will find that after 7 digits, 7 numbers will get the same divisible by 7. So directly after 105 we'll put 112, 1119, 126, so on to the last digit, that is 999 of 3 digits, because after that it will be 1000, that is a 4 digit number. But what we have to find, whether these numbers are divisible by 7 or not. So what we have done, we have divide these 999 and even those all 4 values over there, and we found that they all are resulted in decimals, so they are not divisible by exactly with the 7. So when we come over there at 994, we found the exact value, right? So it means what? We have to find the arithmetic progression up to 105 to 994. Now friends, this is just a question format. So what we have done, first of all, we have formed a question. Now we will go to start to solve that particular answer of this question. See, A is there, that is 105. D, how to find D? D is there, A2 minus A1, that is A2. Now this is your A1, this is your A2 and A3 and A4. Friends, as we all know that in arithmetic progression, after very first number, we fix a number which is added in every term in a fixed manner, so if we can find D from A2 minus A1, similarly we can find D from A4 minus A3 to even A3 minus A2. We will find the same difference from everywhere, right friends? So we have done the same. 112 minus 105 got a difference, that is 7. And whenever you have given the last digit 99994, it is 994. It means that AN is given. Now, whenever you have given AN, it means clearly indicated that you have to find the value of N. So let's start with the question. The formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1T. AN, that is 994, given to you. A stands 105 and it's not given over here, but the difference is there, that is 7. So 994 is equal to 105 plus 7 is to multiply by N, it will be 7N minus 7. Transfer all these values from other side, this side symbolic value will be changed, it will be 105 plus, but when it transfer on the other hand, it will be minus 105 plus minus 7 over there, that will be plus. When we convert this from other side to this side, after adding all these we will find 101 and 105, so it will be 896. On the other hand is 7n, so if n is to be find, 7 will go at the denominator side of 896 and will find the value 128. It means what? It means that there are 128 numbers, 128 words which are actually divisible by 7. Right friends, similar same kind of question once again I am going to take over here. Question number 14. How many multiplies of 4 lies between 10 and 250? So friends, as usual we all know that 10 एंड 250 के बीच के नंबर्स फाइंड करने हैं हम लोगों ने। सो हमने स्टार्ट किया 4 से डिवाइड करना, मल्टीप्लाई किया, 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12। सो 10 तो नहीं आ रहा है, राइट। सिमिलरली यहाँ पर 10 और 250 के बीच की वैल्यू लिखने वाले हैं, बट 10 is a kind of number which is not in the multiple of 4. So we will cancel for that. Your first digit will be 4 3 are 12, right? Then taking the common difference 4, 12, then 16, then 20, then 24. Now the last digit they have demanded, that is 250, but by dividing 4, the 250 is not in the multiple of 4. So what is the value that we have to find? So हमने रिवर्स लिया, 250 के पहले 249 को चेक किया 4 से डिवाइड करके, बट वी डोंट गेट द एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू। बट व्हेन वी go over 248, we got it is in exact manner, it is 262. So exactly here are the numbers which are in the multiplies of 4. So from 12 to 248. Again I have repeated once again कि जब भी आपको an दे दिया गया होगा, आपको n फाइंड करने का आएगा। फ्रेंड्स, a is there 12, a is there a2 minus a1, then putting the formula same we have put in earlier on, we will find that after doing such calculations we will find that n is equal to 60. Same thing is committed as we have committed over here. The last question is question number 16. That is quite different, but when you going to see it very first time, in question number 16 you will see what is given, that the third term is 16 and seventh term is exceed 12, then fifth term. Read this sentence very much clearly. Your seventh term exceeds 12 by its fifth term. आपका जो सातवां पद है, सेवंथ टर्म जो है वो फिफ्थ टर्म से 12 ज़्यादा है। नाउ एज वी ऑल नो दैट व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर, कंपैरिजन हमेशा दो इक्वल लोगों के बीच में होना चाहिए। सो अगर ये सेवंथ टर्म जो है वो 12 ज़्यादा है, अब हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमें फिफ्थ टर्म को भी उतना ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा, सो दैट दे विल बी इक्वल, राइट। सो हमने 12 जो यहाँ एक्सीड था हमने उसको वहाँ पे सेटअप कर दिया, राइट फ्रेंड्स। आफ्टर देन पुटिंग देम हियर इन सच अ फॉर्मेट, a7 इज इक्वल टू a5 प्लस 12। a7 के लिए फॉर्मेट क्या है हमारे पास, a प्लस n माइनस 1d। फॉर्मूला दोनों के लिए लगा दिया, a7 और 5 को दोनों को साथ में लेके चलना पड़ेगा, प्लस 12। सो a की वैल्यू हमारे पास नहीं दी हुई है, सो इन प्लेस ऑफ n विल पुट 7 minus 1d, it will be a plus 6d. On the other hand a plus 5 minus 1d, तो ये हो जाएगा a plus 4d, और लास्ट में कितना 12 है। अभी a plus 4d जो इस तरफ है इसको इस तरफ ट्रांसफर करते हैं तो सिंबॉलिक वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएगी, a plus 6d प्लस a तो माइनस a प्लस 4d तो माइनस 4d इज इक्वल टू 12। a से ये कैंसिल हो गया, 6d में से 4d गया कितना रह गया, 2d इज इक्वल टू 12। नहीं चले, अब क्या करेंगे, d फाइंड करना है। सो व्हाट इज टू बी डन, 2 जो है उसके डिवाइड में चला जाएगा, 2 6 12, d इज देयर। अब d को क्या करेंगे, सो हमें एक वैल्यू दी है a3 इज इक्वल टू 16, मतलब थर्ड टर्म जो है वो 16 है, ठीक है। सो a3 इज इक्वल टू 16 लिख दिया, पुट द फॉर्मूला एंड पुट द वैल्यू ऑन दैट फॉर्मूला। सो a प्लस 3 माइनस 1d अपने पास पड़ा हुआ ऑलरेडी 6, सो पुटिंग द वैल्यू, सो 16 इज इक्वल टू a प्लस 6 2 12, 12 को ट्रांसफर करते हैं इस तरफ तो 16 माइनस 12, a इज इक्वल टू 4। आपके पास a भी आ गया है, d भी आ गया है। व्हाट दे हैव डिमांडेड फ्रॉम यू, दे हैव डिमांडेड एन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। सो अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन मींस a प्लस d, a प्लस 2d, a प्लस 3d। नाउ a स्टैंड फॉर 4, d स्टैंड फॉर 6, तो 4 प्लस 6 10, a प्लस 2d, तो a स्टैंड फॉर 4 प्लस 2d, 2 6 12, 12 plus 4 16। otherwise if you can do it easily 2, as we know that there is a common difference that is 6, तो फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस 4 आया है, 4 में 6 ऐड करोगे तो 10, 10 plus 6 12, I mean 16, 16 plus 2 6, it will be 22। same we have done in arithmetic progression, it is given 4 10 16 and 22। so friend this is all about these 3 questions। I hope आप लोगों को समझ में आ गए होंगे। अगर पसंद आए हैं तो वीडियो को लाइक करो, शेयर करो और सब्सक्राइब करो। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, बाय, सी यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।